What's going on, everybody? It's Jesse here, back at it again with another vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you guys have had a good week so far. We are here for another car show. We are in Sevierville, Tennessee for the Ponies and the Smokies car show. All you Corvette lovers had it really good last week, at least at the time of recording. This week, all the Mustangs, you will have your Mustang lovers, you'll have your say in this now, because it is a strictly Mustang show, and we've already got a lot of cars pulling up. I mean, if you look all the way over here, I mean, hopefully you guys can see all that. I can get my camera going. You got a couple of Mustangs already right there. You got a Camaro ZL1. Heck, even you got a BMW. One of the newer BMWs over there too. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, there's more coming in. Look at this. They everywhere. So, we're gonna have a fun time. It's gonna be a long walk. It's gonna be a very windy walk too. It is very windy today. That's why I didn't really kind of record outside my car, because I didn't feel like blowing away right now. But we're gonna have some fun today. Looking forward to it. Hope to see some really cool cars. That blue looks really good. Look at these awesome Mustangs. I keep cutting away to the other cars. I can't help it. But hold on, I'll show you this one. Look at this one. I don't know if that's a GT or if it's the no, it's just it's a Mustang with a GT front end. But Mustangs, I don't know if you guys know this, but Mustangs are my favorite car. They're just the loud, aggressive, and they're kind of like the affordable, I guess, sports. I wouldn't really call them sports cars. They're muscle cars, but I mean, they're the affordable muscle cars of the United States. I mean, where else can you get 400, 500 horsepower within like $40,000, $50,000? I'll say that's affordable, but I mean, you get the gist what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm gonna cut away. I'm gonna try to get over there and hopefully not blow away in the process, because it is very windy today. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's go have some fun. Okay, even before I made to the show, I just kind of casually happened to see an RTR Mustang. These things are awesome. This is a brand by Vaughan Jr. They make aftermarket brands for the Mustangs, and they are sick. Something I kind of been wanting. Hopefully I can afford something like this. But yeah, that is a really sick looking Mustang, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made to Ponies and the Smokies. Let's go have some fun. And we're already greeted in this beautiful GT500. One of the fastest production Mustangs they've made. I think 750 horses. Very beautiful car. Look at the intake. The intake's huge. Very nice, especially looking at the front. Look at that. Very cool. And right next to the 500 is a GT350. It may be a little wide in the back too. Can't tell for sure. I don't know if that's stock or not, but it looks a little wider in the back. But it is a very beautiful car. This one's a convertible. Looks like I think it's a Roush edition. According to the body kit. I'm not 100% sure, but it could just be a Mustang with a body kit on it. But it's a Ford race on there. But heavily modified, very nice looking. Pro-charged 5.0 liter. One again has a GT front end, but I can't tell if it's a. Looks to be a regular Mustang, just the 5.0 with the T500 front end. Looks really nice. The lights look really good on it. Look at that. It says Coyote on it, so makes you wonder if there's a Coyote motor into this. Heard you get a lot of power out of those type of things. But it's
Looks appear to be on bags too. There's a GT350. The blue lights. Very nice. Like that. It's even got the Shelby logo. I don't know if you can tell. But it's got the Shelby logo on the headlight right there. Hard to see.
We're gonna take a group picture.
Is that a turbo up there? Oh wow, that's big. That is very sick looking. That's very nice. Comes a few Fox bondings over here. That rear end may be modded. You can tell it's got that little different fender in the back. So that is very cool. Here's Fox body number 2. It looks like somebody already has their YouTube on there. Gearhead 704 YouTube, Instagram. 4-man advertisement. That's pretty funny. I like that. Well, Gearhead 704, if you're watching, you got a very beautiful Mustang.
That's like mine.
Look at this.
Okay, yeah. How much is that? 420.
Very sick Mustang. I love the color. But again, it's lowered. It's got a big tire in the back. Come on, walk over here and see it. Yeah, it's got a big tire right over here in the back. Weld racing wheels. Looks very nice. I really like the color of this. It really pops. This Fox body looks amazing in black. Got the wheels kind of broad out. It's got a good stance to it. That is nice looking. Yeah, that is a nice looking Fox body. That is sick. Talking about something that's modded. Look at this one. Got a huge splitter on it. It's got the wide body fenders. The deep dish wheels, got a big wing in the back. Stripped out too, so it's definitely a race car. But that is very nice. Yeah, my zoom for it. But yeah, that is one sick Mustang. That is cool. Nice GT350. Not much for like dark gray colors, but this one looks really good. Really like it. Wheels look good on it. Very cool. Looks like it's sponsored by Belgian, I want to say that right. Wait, what's your company? Belgian Wheels. Sony Mustang. I like the front end on this. I've not really seen a Celine Mustang yet. At least a newer brand, but it looks really cool. Oh, this one's a Roush Mustang. Newer one. Looks really good in white. I haven't really shown the interior up close yet. Looks good. Really nice looking car. There's another Roush Mustang over here. Really, now really pops out in red. Oh my goodness. I know video pictures don't do it justice, but that red, that black really makes it pop. Alright, everybody should be able to recognize this one. Minus the blue lines. Well, we got ourselves an Eleanor 67 GT500. I know somebody in my family that loves Eleanor. Gone 60 Seconds. That was a fun movie. So it's really cool to see this car here. That's nice. We got a nice little 3-pack right over here. It's got a silly Mustang over here. It's got the 302 stripes on it. So right here is Sony Mustang number 25500. So very rare. Dan Gurney on the side of this one. And then got another one with 302 stripes on it. Very cool looking. Say about a big one, I'll probably pick the blue one. Because I'm blue's kind of my favorite color. Still very, very cool. And we ever got a GT350 with that very nice white on blue combination. It says red mirror vents and apparel on it. Got the Army, the Marines on here. Very patriotic. It's hard to see. Got soldiers right there. Got, I think it says "We the People" got the Constitution on the back. Very nice. Very, very patriotic. And in the midst of all the Mustangs, we have a Ford, but it's an F100. A very nice looking F100. Very, very cool. Look at this. Nice red color. Really cool with the interior. It's made by Platinum Customs. Did a good job on this one. It's really good. There's another Fox body. I don't really recognize the year of it. Actually, I don't know. It says Mercury on it. It was made by X-House Videos, Project Colpree. So I'm going to have to check that out later on, because this is interesting. Nice wheels on it. Very interesting. It is a very cool concept. I like it. That's the thing about car shows. You always see something unique. That's why I love them. Here's another Mustang, very patriotic. Soldiers out there. You got 1A showing the gun on the hood.
It's a paint job. This guy, he owns it.
It's kind of hard to see with the sun, at least the back part of it, but we'll try to see what we can do. There's, if you guys want to follow their Instagram, they're right there. So we will never forget. Got the soldiers, got the Twin Towers. Never forget on the wing. Just live a life worth of sacrifice. God bless America. See if there's someone here on this side. Freedom is not free. Very, very patriotic. Alright, so we will eventually head outside in a second, because I know there's a lot more cars out there, but we still got a lot of stuff we've not seen on the inside. Everybody's gravitating towards this Mustang Mach 1. I don't blame them. It looks really nice. Like I said, it's one of my favorite body styles of classic Mustangs, so this is really, really cool.
Well, except now. But yeah, this original end, I think, and all that. Of course, all the
It's really, really nice. Like I said, this just This is just a body style that I just really love. So maybe one day I'll have one of something like this. Another red box body. Huge intake on it, very huge. Quite small. That's very cool. Other, I think this was 92, 93. I can't remember seeing this first time I came here. I like the arches on it, looks really nice. Oh, Boss 302 engine, that's cool. Look at the big intake. Here's a first time seeing the Bullet Mustang on the video. You guys should know what the Bullet Mustang's famous for. And you got another one right next to it, right next to that. This one on 2019 though. That is. Sorry, he put up the screen. Keeps like trying to fade, trying to turn off on the GoPro. And I'm trying to prevent that from happening, but yeah, very nice. Alright, so over here, this is something that something that's pretty cool. Is that they have the year of every Mustang from like the very beginning all the way to now in this little, I guess, square over here. So I think we'll kind of head over there, we'll check that out. But first, it seems like I think there's some other ones that are front of the little square. So we'll kind of check these out real fast. And a few Fox bodies. Got a 2015 over there. That huge tires in the back. Another Fox body right here. I believe it's a 90s Mustang. Oh, this one looks really crazy.
But yes, I'd love to see a smaller turbo car try to run the back.
Oh, sorry. But yeah, check this out. Got it coming out from the fender right here. Off-purpose built drag car. That is cool. I think there's another drag car right here, GT350, older model. 65 on the board that's shown on the front. That is nice. Another Fox body. I think these cars in front, I believe, are made for drag racing. From what I'm matching the theme here. Go through here. Hope you guys don't mind, like I said, I'm trying to get to that little area in front of me. That way we can have some more footage from outside. At least that is the intention. Still very nice looking drag cars. I mean, very nice looking.
I'm talking about my Subaru.
There's some pace cars. This one's interesting. I'm not sure what this one is, but it's cool. This is TF Rally 50th Anniversary Home and Booty. I'll also look that up. I'm not really sure about this edition. Anyway, is it back over here? So it seems like it's got like, so that left side over there is probably used for the drag cars. And then over here, oh, okay. I kind of like them over here. Daytona 500 2010 official pace car. I'm a big NASCAR junkie if you guys don't know. So that is sick to see. There's another pace car for 2011. It's a 2011 Kentucky Speedway official pace car. This is when the Cup Series, I believe, came to Kentucky Speedway for the first time. Because before then, it was just a nationwide series. Really, yeah, back then it was a nationwide series, but that's pretty sick. Oh wow, we got, wow, that is crazy wide. That is a sick looking race car. Alright, just over here, some Mustangs I'm gonna miss. A little drag Mustang over here, Cobra Jet. Stage over there, I'm not sure what they're waiting on. But here's another 5.0 over here in that nice little blue. I think this is GT500. This looks like a GT500.
Yeah, yeah, bigger than I. Yeah, that one is 6.2.
Ultimate street car, that's really cool. I think it's a racing series where they kind of travel through different road courses to try to find the fastest, well, street car. So that's pretty sick. There's another white Mustang, very clean. And then over here is something pretty interesting. It's split. You got the white on the left, and you got the, well, I guess the white on my left and the blue on the right. On my right. That is nice. Very, very, very cool. Looks like these kind of last couple Mustangs have been sponsored. Clear, shine, clean. Probably showing off how clean you can get these cars. I think it's where I left off last time. The 94. There's another Fox body. Really, really cool. There's a Mustang. I believe it's the Cobra R. I'm not used to seeing Cobra R's. They're really rare. And they're really cool. Next to it's a race car. Pretty cool looking body kit on it. And a pace car, a lot of pace cars. And then another pace car. This is what I like. I like the color combination. Just the gray, black, and blue, which is really cool. Okay, so we went through the drag cars, we went through the pace cars and the race cars. So this is something that the Ponies and the Smokies do over here. Starting over here, they'll have the first, start with the first Mustang ever made, or at least a year of it anyway. And then all the way through there, all the way around, they'll have up until this year. So that's pretty cool. Of course, it starts with the 1964 and a half Ford Mustang. So we'll quickly go through this. But Any comments? Let me guys know what your favorite body style is. So I think I already told you guys kind of my favorites. That's the show GT. Is that a 350? I thought it was. Maybe it's up inside. I don't know. I'm looking at this today, maybe. It is a 69 GT350. You don't see these often. That's very cool. The 70. Like I said, the 70, the Mach 1, the 70 Mach 1, the Boss 302, 429. Definitely my favorites. The 71 looks really good too. I like that body style. 72 looks really good as well. Look at that red. Finish it off with the 73. Of course, it's kind of unique that it's kind of broken off at the 73 because if we go over here, you'll see that the Mustangs have changed drastically. And that's because of the gas crisis that happened years ago. So, all that stuff changed after 73. But still, you got a 74 Pro Street. I think it's crazy. Look how big that blower is. Go down the list, 75. They have Cobra on this one. 76, 77. It's kind of years that you don't really see often. Kind of years I don't really what it talks about because I mean they happened during the gas crisis and that's kind of when they had to change everything about the cars, turn the engines, that kind of stuff. Because before then it was just a bunch of V8s and trying to get power out of it. Now you had to like build cars that would just, I think, save gas and that kind of stuff. So. We keep heading down, kind of now we're heading toward the Fox body era of the Mustangs. What's a GT Turbo 84? That's interesting. 85. 86. 87. 88. We got police car this time. 89. And then here we go. We get some good stuff here. 1990. This is from Mustang. That's cool. 91. 92. I don't know what it is about the 92s, but I really love the 92s. Maybe the orange, I'm not sure. The Celine 93. And then we have another body style change over here, heading to the 94. Sling Mustang 95, 96, and it just keeps going and keeps going. Now these are like kind of like, I don't really mind this body style too much. It's not my favorite. Here we go, we're heading to 99. This is when I started to get familiar with the Mustangs, about 99, 2000s model. We're about to have another body style change in a second. And 03. That's nice looking 04. That's really nice.
That's how that works. We planned on renting a like big van and all going there. And then I was like, how would you put the wing van on your Mustang?
Then we start with the 05s. This is when I started really liking the Mustang. I think probably 05 and onward. They kind of hit or miss for me. But yeah, this was a very good body style. I think one Mustang that kind of influenced that was I think it was an 07 Mustang in the Fast and Furious 4. Yellow one with black stripes. I think it was at Rod Runs last year. I don't know if anybody saw that, but there was a very nice looking Mustang replica of that car just driving around. Sounded really good too. That red and white, the classic combination. Then we get an 09 and then another body style change. 2010. This one looks really nice. One 2011. So you got 12 card match. That's cool. $2012. This one's a GT500. That's really sick. 2013. Ooh, that was the year the Super State GT500 was made.
Let's go for the center, you're right.
If I remember right. 2014. And then we get to the S550 chassis Mustangs. Which is honestly some of my favorite built Mustangs, like ever. Roush Mustang. Got the Smurf Blue Mustang 2017, 2018 convertible. Of course, highlighted, but that's the 2010 is the facelift. 2019. GT350, and then we get to this year, 2021. And then you got the Mach-E. I think it's my only second time seeing the Mach-E. Now, say what you want about the Mach-E. I mean, I think a lot of people it's kind of controversial cars. It's once electric and two, it's kind of the Mustang name. It's like an SUV, that kind of stuff. But I don't know. One thing I can say is that, you know, if you watch Von Gittin Jr., he did make a Mustang, like a Mach-E Mustang, 1,400 horses drift car. So, I mean, so you can't make a Mach-E cool. So, I mean, I don't know. I think it's just interesting. I'll have to kind of learn more about the car itself and see what it will be like kind of later on. But yeah, there you go. That was through the years. Now, there are a few more here on the kind of toward the inside. And then once we kind of get those filmed, we'll go outside. We'll try to not really record every car, but we'll definitely try to spot some of our favorites. Now, here are some really awesome Mustangs. You got a 429 right here. And then you got the 302 over here. And then you got another 302 over here. And another 302 over there. I think I'm a Mustang heaven, boys and girls. Like I said, I've always loved this body style. I loved the 302 way back in the day. I think video games may have had I can't talk. Probably had an influence on that. So that's probably why I love them so much. Just the body style looks so good. Like this blue one. This blue one. I would love to have this. Honestly, I want to hug the car. Can I hug the car? I'm not gonna hug the car, but I want to hug the car because that is beautiful. And then we get some updated Boss 302s. The crazy looking, not so crazy, but I mean, it's got a big splitter on it. The white on black looks really good. I like the vinyl on it. Here's a black on red. Black on red's another solid combination, in my opinion. gray. I won't say it's gray, but the color's gray. It's silver. Okay, yes, what it says on the sign up there, it says it's silver, not red. But this color right here pops out too. Yellow Blaze is the color. That is a nice looking color. I like that with the black. That's really nice. And then we got a red on black with the little car to match. Probably the best ride here. I mean, look at all that room it has. It's got a nice color on it. Very nice looking car. Definitely one of the favorites.
Laguna Seca, that's what I was thinking. What?
There's a green one. I think this whole inside, I didn't realize. I think this whole inside's Boss 302s, or at least Boss Mustangs. This is 2013. Not really much on green, but this green on black looks really good. I think most colors look really good with black. It just fits. There's a red one. Red on white this time. Like the white on this one. The orange on this one looks really good. Some of that orange just pops out. Get another green one. Dark blue on white. The black on gray looks really nice. Blue, so blue looks great. Some of this blue looks really nice. And then the yellow on gray. Very nice. I'm gonna head over here because I know I missed some stuff. There's some stuff also on the right. Look at the work they did on the stripes. That is cool. I don't know how they do that. Is that like a vinyl wrap maybe? I don't know, someone let me know. GT350 says it's twin turboed. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That is crazy to have twin turbos. That's sick. Roush Mustang here. It looks like you can see inside by Jack Roush himself. Cat in the Hat. This is cool. These Roush Mustangs are really, really awesome. Kind of been growing on to me a little bit too.
Now you're good.
You get some classic Mustangs over here, but they look a little bit different on the back. I'm trying to see why they look a little bit different. Because like you come up here, it's rounded. I wonder if it's like maybe like a Boss 429 or a Boss 302 body, and then it's like you got the fastback or the GT version in the back. That's probably what that is. That's interesting to say at least. It's cool. Like I said, car shows are cool because you always find something unique. And these are definitely unique. What's this color on this one? Oh my lord. Oh. The gray, you get the gray stripes, you get the black wheels. That is so cool. I think I've always low-key loved the square top Mustangs. There's something about them. I think I kind of prefer, like, at least the earlier years, I've always liked the square tops more than like the rounded tops. But I mean, I wouldn't complain if I had either one, so. A few more Celine Fox bodies over here. Another Fox body over here. Here's a soft top. Or no, yeah, it's probably convertible. It's like a soft top. Yeah, it's convertible. I'm crazy, I don't know what I'm talking about. SVT Cobra. Another Cobra. Actually, a few Cobras coming up. A nice orange. Another Cobra. I really like the gray on this one. Say if I had this type of body on a Mustang, I think it probably would be a Cobra. Lower it down a little bit. Like it looks sick. You get a big intake in there. And we got ourselves a nut. It says heartbreaker on the front. I don't think it'd be breaking hearts, it'd be gaining hearts. See this thing driving down the road. Alright, so I happened to pass this, and I did not mean to pass this because this looks amazing. It's got the word boss on the front of the grill. It's got like a Mustang front end too, kind of in the middle. That red on gray also looks amazing. Whoever built this truck did a wonderful job of making this because it looks awesome. Like, take this to SEMA. This is incredible. And here's a Ford Ranger. This one's the SVT Ranger. According to this right here, it says that it was a prototype to build to see if Ford would build a performance Ranger to go to the SVT line. It says the VIN number was never assigned. That's really cool. So it looks like Ford, I guess, tried to have an SVT Ranger to go along with Mustang and some other stuff, and just maybe never went through, but that's really cool. Speaking of cool, we got Shelby Cobra. These things are always cool. That is very nice. 427. That's nice. No. 20, I believe it's 2013, 2014. It's got some body mods on it. It's got some. Yeah, got some body mods on it for sure, but it's really cool. And speaking of modded, look how low this Mustang is. Wow. Slammed Eco Stang on the Instagram. I don't know if it has the YouTube or not, but there you go. That is very nice. I wonder if we'll see this at I can't remember the name of the event. It's the one in Gatlinburg where it has all the lower cars. I'm sure I'll remember when I get home, but here's another heavily modded Mustang. Again on Belgian wheels. Belgian wheels are actually looks really good. But that was nice.
That is my car.
Look at that. Ooh.
I don't care. I want that.
And then this one, it's cambered out. Well, it's not cambered out, but I mean it's low, as you can see. But a nice Mustang GT. Again, it's got the GT 500 front end. Something that a lot of people like to do. This cool fact can be used to light fires daily driver. That is very nice though. You know, the drag Stang over here. I like the blue. This dark blue is really good. I think if I had a Mustang, it'd be this type of dark blue. Angry Pony 15. You got yourself a very nice ride. '98 Mustang. I think you're along for the ride. But not one, but two. They're having a good time. Very cool. You got this red one, 2016. That looks really cool. And finally we got another one with the GT500 front end. Very popular conversion you can do to these type of Mustangs. It says bag riders on it on there, so I'm guessing it's probably on bags. Airlift performance. But yeah, here's the Instagram. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything we've seen on the inside. Very, very, very cool looking vehicles. So I think now we're heading outside. I don't have much battery left on this GoPro because GoPro, the battery, I have to apparently use it quick. But we're gonna head outside and we're gonna see if we can find anything.